ready for the coda.
Welcome to our Learning to Cook Pizza channel. Today I'm cooking chorizo pizza on high heat in the Ooni. I've just turned it down a second because it was more than 400 degrees in the middle and it's gone down really fast, so I'm going to put it back up again. So I've turned it right up to full. I'm going to be cooking on full now and see how it goes. Yeah, it's 420 in the middle, so I'm going to get the pizza in. It's already caught on fire. Great. You know, this peel is, I can't wait for my new peel to arrive. I've ordered a Rock Box 7-inch peel, which I think should be a lot easier to handle in this oven because it's that much smaller. Ooh, that was a close shave. It would easily have just completely ruined that crust part there. Just pull it out and check which part needs just a little bit in the corner there, and I'm done. Let's see. God, it's so quick. That could have so burnt so quickly. They are cooked chorizo pizza on high heat.
Oh gosh, it's really hot. So that's the base there. Give that a try. Oh. The base. So let me try that piece. So I added some barbecue sauce on top of the chorizo, and I think it's giving it that lovely extra outdoor taste for the summer. It's really very nice. Last piece. Yeah, so my final thoughts on this are, I prefer cooking on medium, but you know, I will cook on full if it makes it a faster cook, because lots of people are commenting they want a faster cook. I want to see a faster cooked pizza, but I think the taste is the same. It's just a different way of getting there, so I'm not sure what the difference is. I just know it was more stressful trying to get the pizza, make sure the pizza didn't burn for me anyway. So that's that, and this was a really tasty, yummy pizza. Very, very nice with the chorizo and that lovely barbecue sauce on top. Just give it that extra oomph. Not that the chorizo needed an oomph, but that's the chorizo I used from Aldi. But it was very nice. Very nice.